Thank you, Africa, because that's the constituency for which we got noticed in the first place. And the message from Burner, I believe, would be that every black person should please remember that you were Africans before you became anything else. Thank you.
Allah, umurema, afa, umuchina, dishi, wea, eshenti, uwerians, wa, sparadi, inta, delandi, beyondi, indi, aria, delandi, afadi, tado, balaka, afadi, tari, balaka, afadi, ata, o, ana, ala, ali, wishi. Kado, ala, umrema, landi, afadi, farava, yata, dichi, in, habitadi, delandi, na, majority, afadi, taraba, afa, umuchina, children, afa, fadachi, dishi, rigia, inkala, dadi, onimala, oshimiri, oku, haya, landi, afadi, barani, oshionu, beyondi, umuchina, children, afa, china, nandi, hamu, afa, umu, arianti, children, afa, arianti, aria, ti, dena, Japan, Korea, Kichiga, na, Sata, the Philippines.
There are black people in the Philippines and they come in all shades of black. Many people don't know this, but there's an indigenous group of people in the Philippines known as the Negrito people. Now, the Negrito people traditionally inhabited remote and mountainous regions in the northern part of the Philippines in a place called Luzon. The Negritos are thought to have been some of the earliest inhabitants of the Philippines. They are generally characterized by their short stature, curly hair, and of course their dark skin. The Spanish referred to them as Negrito, which literally means little Negro or little black person. Now in the Philippines, there are over 25 Negrito tribes, including a tribe known as the Eta tribe. Now the Etas actually trained the United States Marines in jungle survival during the Vietnam War. They've also trained many military services from around the world. For more content like this, make sure to follow Fasa Speaks.
Hello everyone, today I'm on an incredible journey to meet the Aetas, one of the oldest indigenous community in the Philippines. Their history dates back over 30,000 years, making them among the earliest settlers of this beautiful country. So we are here to learn about their cultures, traditions and everyday life. Aetas are a part of the Negrito ethnic group, which translates to the little black person. They are known for their distinctive physical characteristics like dark skin, curly hair and short stature.
Welcome to the Philippines! Welcome, Diana!
Oh my god, that is so good. Oh, oh look at her hair. Oh my god, the hair is as hard as mine. Oh yeah.
If these were the original Filipinos, what led to the division of them and other tribes, making them to be minority?
Thank you.
Traditionally, the Afro-Filipinos are hunters and gatherers, but in today's life, the way of living in Aeta is sustainable by agriculture.
Oh, look at it come out the bottom there finally.